am I supposed to fix the world? Fix me when I don't have my voice? Why now when I'm so close? Why? Why?
You come here like this, you think you can fix the world. You can't even fix yourself.
I can't.
And now, everyone finally sees you for what you really are.
They do.
And the whole moon is gone.
It is. So we can make a new one.
We broke into a